Somewhere right now, a family is signing away their life savings for a piece of land they will never legally own. Not because they were careless, because they trusted the wrong paper, the wrong signature, the wrong smile across the table. Land is the one asset that cannot be hidden in a bag or driven away, and yet it is one of the easiest things in the world to lose to fraud. Today, we show you exactly how to verify land ownership before you ever hand over a payment. Welcome to Designs Land Labs. Why land fraud happens. Land fraud thrives on three things: urgency, trust, and missing paperwork. Scammers rush buyers into decisions before they can verify anything. They sell land that already belongs to someone else. They forge documents that look official enough to fool an untrained eye. And in many cases, buyers never physically visit the plot before paying a single dollar. The good news, every one of these tactics can be defeated with a simple, methodical process. Let's walk through it. Step 1. Verify the title and ownership records. Every legitimate piece of land has an official record, a title, a deed, or a registered certificate held by a government land registry. Before anything else, request the seller's ownership document and cross-check it directly with that registry, not with a copy the seller hands you. A genuine seller will never object to this. Check three things. Does the name on the document match the person selling it to you? Is the registry entry current, with no conflicting claims? And does the recorded size and boundary match what you're being shown? A mismatch in any of these is not a technicality. It is a warning sign. Step 2. Physically inspect and survey the land. A document is only half the story. Always visit the land in person, or send someone you deeply trust if you cannot. Walk the actual boundaries, not just the general area, and compare them against the official survey. Speak to neighboring landowners. They often know the property's history better than any paperwork. Look for physical clues. Existing structures, disputes marked by fencing, or multiple for sale signs from different sellers on the same plot. A classic red flag. If possible, commission an independent licensed surveyor to confirm the boundaries match the title. This single step has saved more buyers than any other. Step 3. Work with licensed professionals. Never navigate a land purchase alone, and never rely solely on the seller's lawyer or agent. Their loyalty is contractual, not to you. Hire your own independent real estate attorney to review every document before you sign anything. Use a licensed surveyor, not a friend with a tape measure. And run a due diligence search for any liens, unpaid taxes, or legal disputes attached to the property. Debts and disputes often transfer with the land, even after a sale. Yes, this costs money up front, but it costs far less than losing the land entirely. Think of it as the price of certainty. Land will always be one of the safest investments on earth, but only when it is verified correctly. Check the title, walk the boundary, hire your own professionals. Never let urgency override caution. These 3 steps take days, sometimes weeks, but they protect what could be the largest purchase of your life. At Designs Land Labs, we don't just show you beautiful spaces. We help you build on solid ground, literally and legally. Subscribe for more real, practical guidance on land, construction, and design. And if you've ever encountered a land scam, tell us your story in the comments. It might save someone else. Until next time, build wisely.